If you can hear this message, congratulations. You have reached the 4th game. Jack and Jill.
There are 3 games left. Player 456.
This is the front mess speaking. You can begin now.
And you will watch them kill each other.
One more game won't be enough for them. They'll go for all of it.
You'll see that your actions were meaningless.
Who are you?
I think you deserve it to know. Once your game is over,